Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at euro dollar. On the daily chart, we can finally see that a break and close below the low over here that has happened. So a bearish trend has confirmed initial sign. So I'm looking for a shorting opportunity. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that market have a consolidation and a confirmation of extension towards the downside. Even the recent candle close over here, all right, have a break and close below. So I'm waiting for a pullback for a shorting opportunity and down to the 1-hour chart. Same thing, a break and close below the low. So all three time frame is pointing to the same thing. All right, so back to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis. So just right before we get into that, you can see that right now I'm using moving averages for the following month. Pretty much a lot of the trade will be based on the moving average. If you're interested, scan the QR code, get into our community and start learning the basic first before you go into like additional courses on moving averages and stuff like that. Alright, so a trade of moving averages will be updated under structure-based trading. Okay, and of course, if there is harmonic pattern trades, I'll post it over here. But for the month of October, that will not be my focus. Alright, so daily chart, this is what we get. Okay, on the 4-hour chart, what I'm looking for is a retracement back up towards this area. All right, at about 17557 area for a shorting opportunity, and based off the 1-hour chart, it will be much more recent. I will see how the market react at 1.17 level and see if there is a shorting opportunity, or I can wait for a higher price for a longer term shorting opportunity to throw the target all the way down to the support level at 1.1384. Alright, so that's pretty much I have for you today. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan. Looking forward to see you soon in our community. See you guys.